Hello, Dr. Glenn, resident vet for Vet and Pet Direct. What calming products are available to help with my anxious dog? Anxiety in dogs is a very complex problem. You can use certainly lots of different aids and supplements to help anxious pets. If your pet has moderate to severe anxiety, I would strongly recommend a veterinary consultation, including behavioural consultation, to help out with your dog's problem. Once you've got a diagnosis, a lot of these things will probably be involved as part of the solution. If your pet has got a mild to moderate anxiety problem and it hasn't escalated to where it's affecting its quality of life, there's a number of things you can definitely do. Thundershirts are my go-to sort of first intervention a lot of the time. They're not just for storm anxiety, separation anxiety, situational anxiety, all sorts of anxiety situations. A Thundershirt, which is a compression garment, can certainly help with. It is releasing serotonin in the brain. It is having a physiological and actual response to help reduce mild to moderate anxiety regardless of the cause of it. So Thundershirt is definitely something to consider. Pheromone treatments can certainly help with anxiety as well. The Adaptal range comes as a collar, a home diffuser and also a spray. The spray can be applied to a little treatment tag on the Storm shirt. Pheromones, dog appeasing pheromones, are the same as dogs release when they are calm. You can use them in the environment through the adapter or a collar, or spraying bedding and regular frequented areas for the dogs. It promotes a feeling of well-being and the dog thinks that it is in its home environment, and that can be a treatment for anxiety. Zilkine is a dietary supplement, sort of I think the most effective dietary supplement that we've got. It is a casein protein that's hydrolyzed, basically like a milk protein that's broken down into an absorbable form, crosses the blood-brain barrier and increases serotonin release. It can certainly help with mild to moderate anxiety regardless of the cause of that anxiety. It's not a quick-acting medication, as in they've got to be on it for a couple of days prior to it kicking in and working. As a one-off supplement, it would be my go-to for mild to moderate anxiety. We've got good clinical success with it. There are a number of other dietary supplements that you can use. Broadly speaking, tryptophan as a serotonin precursor. If it is insufficient in the diet and you give them extra tryptophan, that can help to create less anxiety potentially. Most of them have got B group vitamins in there as well, and a B group vitamin deficiency can increase anxiety in some pets. There are also some herbal formulas, most of them containing things like chamomile or vervain, but there's a number of different helpful herbal supplements that can help as well. Definitely a combination approach can help with most pets, so you can certainly use a Thundershirt with the pheromone range and the Zilkine and a dietary supplement as well. Most pets, if they're on all those things, hopefully are under veterinary care and potentially under prescription medications as well. But long term, the goal is to get them off as many medications as possible, and these dietary supplements and behavioural modifying tools can certainly help. Very complicated topic. There's lots of causes of anxiety. We've got a great podcast on the My Pet podcast about anxiety in dogs, which goes into further depth of the causes and some of the treatments. Basically, a multi-pronged approach can be beneficial most of the time. I hope that helps. Thanks, guys.